Yeah, so the spring classes haven't started yet. That's why it still says fall. Let's take a look here. But I'm here today doing the gaming club, so I thought that I would show you guys some of the inside of the OLLI program. This is some of the pictures of some of the stuff going on. Meet nice people here. Make great friends. And all these are the pictures of stuff going on in the OLLI program. This is the garden club. Yeah. Good times. Games club. That's where I was today. Suggestion box. Here's the cafe. Cafe. Yeah, this is nice, right? Nice little setup here. Oh, I love that. I actually love the colors. I don't remember seeing that before. Huh. Okay, guys. Let's see, I'll show you the outside, I guess. Because they got a nice seating area here. And that's it. So that is the OLLI program area here in University, South Carolina, Conway, Allied Drive, I believe it's on. And so, yeah, I think the OLLI program is national though, OLLI. So, but for the locals, yeah, check this place out. Good fun. Bye.